Hi everybody, it's Joanne from Joanne Ralstin Art. How are you? I'll tell you how I am. It's the middle of the night and I can't sleep. So I thought, what the heck, I'm going to come down and try to paint. Well, I already scraped the first one. That's why it's kind of pink in color. I had a request from like 3 or 4 viewers to redo the last painting I did, which was the deconstructive bloom, and to spin it instead of tilting it. And the first one I did, color-wise, it was gorgeous. Composition-wise, I didn't care for it. So we're going to go again. So, I'm not going to waste any time. Let's get busy. I'm using the same colors that I did in the last video. The candy apple red, and these are all primary elements. And this is a 10 by 20 instead of a 12 by 24. The reason being, it was already taped. So I just thought, the sooner I get started, the better. And that was, okay, I did say candy apple red. This is the Oasis. They wanted the same colors, but spin it instead of tilting it. That was the Oasis. This is the Fairy Wings. Of course, our Pineapple Crush. I'm just kind of going to swirl it because it's very powerful. And I want it in there, but I don't want it to dominate. Yet I go back and I start sprinkling more. And then this is the Freesia. It's kind of an interference. It looks like it's got purple and blues. It doesn't really show up, but it just does something. And I'm not... Okay, now I'm going to use my white cell activator like before, which is Amsterdam Titanium White. And by the way, Christina Welch, there is a GoFundMe account under Christina Welch. Christina had a heart attack. She was in the hospital for a while. She is on bed rest, and her medications they put her on are outrageous. So if you could, you can do the GoFundMe or go to Christina Welch on Etsy and buy some paints. Just if you don't mind and you watch her, please support her. We artists try to support one another, and she is going to have an awful time in the future months paying her medical bills and her medications. So one of them's like, I think $500, and others may be more or less. So, you know, she's gonna have a rough time. And a GoFundMe. So we're gonna use this blow dryer. Start right here. I'm going to try low. I'm going to go straight down first. Spread that cell activator. Now we're going to go high. Get my stick. Be patient when you're picking your stick up, and make sure you do not take it across your canvas. You will have a white fine line in your design that you will not like. Okay. Now, let's spin it out and see what we get. But anyway, I don't know if, I think I said in the beginning, I had 3 or 4 viewers that said, please do this painting again, but spin it. We'd like to see it spun. Now, the sad thing is, as you can tell, and from what I remember of doing that particular painting, is my blooms look nothing like they did in that one. You cannot repeat a painting. So if you're a purchase person and you see something and the person's already sold it and said, I want that, please make me one just like that, it can't be done. It cannot be repeated, period. Don't even think it can. It's impossible. Other art, yes, it can be repeated. Or if you make prints, yes, it can be repeated. But for the artist to paint it and repeat it, forget it. It ain't gonna happen. Sorry for your luck. I'm being ornery. Oh, you guys have no idea how ornery I can get. When I am feeling good, I have been as proper as I can be on my videos. Alright, let's spin some more. This one looks much better. Woohoo! looky, looky. Look at the colors. They're kind of a watercolory. Look at that. That's from that Pineapple Crush. Oh, I see a place that the paint is not covering. There we go. I am, see if it moves. I don't want it to. I think we're done. Okay, there she is. Hopefully I'll have time to do dry results. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for those dry results. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Welcome to dry results. I hope you're over me scraping the last one. I do, and I don't know why I did it, but I did it. But here's the one that took its place, and I'm really very happy with it. I'll bring you in close. It really did pretty. It did unique. It's got that shimmery shine. It's got pretty centers. I don't think I used as many colors, but I really like what it did. So you guys can be the judge. That last one, after I looked at the video, because I was trying to decide if I was going to just scrape it or show you the video. Look at the shine. I look at that and I thought, it didn't seem like it looked like that in real life. And I guess it did, but we all make mistakes, but just look at that. So, I lost but there she is. I think she's very pretty, very delicate, very dainty. It'd be pretty in those ladies who like pink bathrooms or a little girl's room. But tell me what you think. I love you. Please don't be mad at me. Everybody take care and come back and see me. Bye-bye.